Hello everyone, I am nutritionist Vaishnavi from Nutrifil. Today we are going to talk about food and water safety to be taken in monsoon season. These safety measures can be taken in any season as well. Monsoon season brings increased humidity and a higher risk of food contamination and spoilage. Here are detailed guidelines for ensuring food safety and effective preservation during monsoon. Food and water safety. Boil drinking water. Ensure all drinking water is boiled or filtered to prevent waterborne diseases. Avoid street food. Street food may be contaminated due to poor hygienic practices and water quality. Next comes the kitchen hygiene. Clean surfaces. Regularly clean kitchen countertops, utensils and cooking surfaces with disinfectants. Hand hygiene. Wash hands thoroughly with soap and water before handling food. Cooking practices that are to be adapted during monsoon season. Cook thoroughly. Ensure all food, especially meat, poultry and seafood, is cooked thoroughly to kill any harmful bacteria. Avoid cross-contamination. Use separate cutting boards for raw food and cooked foods to prevent the spread of pathogens. Washing vegetables and fruits. Thoroughly wash all fruits and vegetables under running water to remove dirt and potential contaminants. Soak in salt water or vinegar solution for extra cleaning. Food handling is the next thing. We have to be more careful during monsoons. Avoid overhandling. Minimize handling of food to reduce the risk of contamination. Use clean vessels. Always use clean utensils for serving and handling food. Next comes about food preservation, which includes proper storage. Refrigeration is also under proper storage. Store perishable items like dairy, meat, leftovers in the refrigerator to slow bacterial growth. Airtight containers should be used for storing food and prevent moisture absorption and contamination. Next comes the storage of dry items like grains, pulses, spices in a cool, dry place and use moisture absorbing packets if necessary. Leftover management. Cool quickly. Cool leftovers quickly and store them in the refrigerator within 2 hours to prevent bacterial growth. If you want to reheat the leftovers, heat them up to 75 degrees Celsius before consuming. For avoiding spoilage, check for spoilage. Regularly check food for signs of spoilage such as mold, off smell and unusual textures. Use by dates. Pay attention to use by dates and consume foods before they expire. Spices and condiments. Store spices properly. Keep spices in airtight containers to prevent them from absorbing moisture and losing flavor. Use desiccants. Add desiccant packets of spice containers to keep them dry. Next comes about the storage of dairy products. Fresh dairy. Buy dairy products in small quantities and consume them quickly and avoid spoilage. Alternative storage of dairy products can be considered of making ghee from butter, has a stronger shelf life and does not require refrigeration. To prevent mold from the bread and goods, store bread in a refrigerator to prevent mold growth. By following these food safety and preservation practices, you can minimize the risk of foodborne illness and ensure that your food remains fresh and safe to eat throughout the monsoon season. Thank you.